Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope that everybody is safe and sound and staying safe at home. I am your geo teacher and today is our 9th geo lecture. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the important country of continent Asia, Indonesia. And today we are moving forward and we are going to discuss our new topic, which is also an important country of continent Asia. Our today's topic is Turkey. Do you know about Turkey? Mostly people know that Turkey is a friend country of Pakistan. It is an Islamic country and it is one of the important country of the Muslim world. It is a transcontinental country which is also located in two continents, in southeastern Europe and southwestern Asia, bordering the Black Sea. Understand? We will have to discuss some important facts of Turkey first. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. The currency of Turkey is lira. The religion is Islam, as I said that it is an Islamic country, so the religion of Turkey is Islam. And the language which is spoken there is Turkish. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. Lira is the currency of Turkey. Islam is the official religion of Turkey and Turkish is the official language of Turkey. Here is the picture of the famous food of Turkey, which is shish kebab. It is a famous South Asian dish. This is shish kebab, which is also the famous dish of Turkey. Now all of you should have your book with you. In your Geo Book 5 on page number 22, we have the topic Turkey. These are all the facts of Turkey. The Ankara is capital of Turkey, Lira is the currency of Turkey and Islam is the official religion of Turkey. Turkish is the language of Turkey. You can see the flag of Turkey. It is quite similar to the flag of Pakistan, but the difference is that it contains the red color while the Pakistani flag contains green color. Now let us read more about Turkey. The most important and the largest city of Turkey is Istanbul. It is also known as the city of mosques, which is the only city in the world that is spread over two continents, Asia and Europe, separated by Bosphorus, a stream from Black Sea. باسفورس جو ہے وہ ایک ندی ہے جو کہ بلیک سی سے نکلتی ہے اور یہ صرف اس ندی کے ذریعے جو ہے تو سیپریٹڈ ہے دو کانٹیننٹس یعنی یورپ اور ایشیا سے. It is one of the greatest cities of the world and also known as the city of mosques. We are talking about Istanbul. دیٹ یہ جو ہے اس کو سٹی آف ماسکس بھی کہتے ہیں اور یہ دنیا کے مشہور ترین شہروں میں سے ایک شہر ہے. بلو ماسک اینڈ آیا صوفیہ ان استنبول آر دا فیمس لینڈ مارکس. ہیئر یو کین سی دا پکچر آف بلو ماسک. دس از دا پکچر آف بلو ماسک اینڈ دس از دا پکچر آف آیا صوفیہ, which is the famous landmark of Turkey. Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque, the two famous and important landmarks of Turkey, are also very famous in the world for their significance and importance. We have also discussed in our previous lectures that what is a landmark. Landmark is any visible symbol of a country or city. It can be any structure, natural, man-made, like a mountain, tower or building, etc. لینڈ مارک جو ہوتا ہے وہ کسی بھی ملک یا کسی بھی شہر کی ایسی مشہور اور شہرت یافتہ جگہ کو کہتے ہیں جس کی وجہ سے، جس کی اہمیت کی وجہ سے وہ شہر یا وہ جو ملک ہوتا ہے وہ بہت زیادہ مشہور ہوتا ہے. اور وہ جگہ کوئی نیچرل بھی ہو سکتی ہے، قدرتی بھی ہو سکتے ہیں، اور مین میڈ یعنی کہ آرٹیفیشل بھی ہو سکتے ہیں. انڈرسٹینڈ؟ کمنگ بیک ٹو آور ٹاپک. Starting from Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia in Istanbul are the famous landmarks of Turkey. Turkey was one of the center of Ottoman Empire. یعنی ٹرکی جو تھا وہ سلطنت عثمانیہ کا ایک امپورٹنٹ سینٹر رہ چکا ہے. It produces the fine quality of lamb's wool which is used in the making of Turkey's famous carpets. You know what is lamb's wool? اون کو کہتے ہیں جس سے کہ سویٹرز وغیرہ اور مفرلز وغیرہ بنائے جاتے ہیں. Shish kebab is the popular food served with long Turkish bread which is freshly baked. I showed you the picture of shish kebab which is also very famous in our Pakistan also, but with different names. Turkey is the most developed and modern country in the Muslim world. Here are some pictures. Antalya in Turkey, the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. This is a Turkish family which you can see. There is a quite difference between the get-up of the people of Turkey and the people of rest of the countries of continent Asia. Thus, because that country is joined with continent Europe. Okay, this is the picture of Turkish barbecue, and this is the Bosphorus bridge. This is the Bosphorus stream, which is a stream of Black Sea and separating Turkey from continent Europe. I hope that you understand today's topic. In our next topic, we'll discuss more things about continent Asia. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz for today.